Christy Rost. Springtime sweet almond braid is fabulous for Easter brunch, gifts from the kitchen, and charity bake sales. This braided yeast bread, drizzled with icing and garnished with pastel sprinkles, absolutely melts in your mouth. In a medium saucepan, heat 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter over medium heat until small bubbles form around the edges of the pan. Then remove it from the heat and set it aside until it's lukewarm. I have 2 cups of bread flour in the bowl of my mixer, and to that I'm going to add 1/2 cup of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, and 2 packages of active dry yeast. Now I just mix this briefly. There we go. And add in the milk mixture, which is now lukewarm. And you can tell when you stick your finger in that it's just lukewarm. Now I'm going to mix this for about 2 minutes on low speed to get it well blended. After that, I can add in 2 eggs and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, which is going to give this bread just a really subtle, beautiful flavor. Now I'll mix this until it's completely mixed. Probably take about 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate bowl, I have 4 cups of bread flour. I'm going to stir in 1/2 cup of raisins and enough of that flour to form a soft dough. Turn the dough out onto a floured counter and knead it until it is smooth. Divide the dough in half. Slice each half into 3 pieces and roll the first 3 into 12-inch ropes. Braid them to form a loaf, tucking under the ends. Then repeat with the remaining dough to form a second loaf. Transfer each braided loaf to cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. Cover the breads with a towel and set them aside in a warm place to rise. If you live in a dry climate, first spray the breads with non-stick cooking spray, then cover with plastic wrap and a towel. Once the breads have risen, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Remove the towel and the plastic wrap and bake them 18 to 20 minutes until they're golden brown. Then remove them and set them aside to cool. So the breads are totally cool now, and I'm decorating them with a glaze. This is 1½ cups of confectioner's sugar, and I whisked in 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and just a tiny splash of vanilla. These are really easy to make. Then I have some spring-colored confetti here, and I'm just going to garnish each loaf with that. And these are beautiful. These springtime sweet almond braids are an Easter tradition in our home, but don't just save them for holidays. They're a welcome treat anytime. Take care, bake some joy.